Good morning from UAE, people. Check this out. On this Cobra-inspired attack helicopter 3D printed shell, the Huey UH1 V3 power combo fits without any modifications. The only thing you need to do is just drill 2 holes in the base plate, the carbon fiber base plate of the combo. The rest, the holes will match on the base plate of this design. Everything fits, mashallah, perfectly. The only DIY modification we need to do is that the motor has 3 screws, and on the tail here have two holes. So I'm gonna just design a plate to fit this type of motor on the same tail. So now this is confirmed for all of you who were asking if this fuselage will fit FlyWing Huey UH1 V3 V4 power combos. Well, answer is yes. You're watching it. It's an absolutely very nice fit. Enjoy, and thank you very much for your interest in the Cobra-inspired 3D printed helicopter fuselage. It's available for order now. Check out the links in description.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.